so new to me. Let's get into it. All right, so today's agenda is going to the Juneteenth festival in West Nashville. But first, I really want to make these protein pancakes that I've been seeing all over TikTok. Then I need to do some tidying up around the house because we had a fight party over the weekend. I need to do laundry. So let's go ahead and get into the video to see if I can get all of this done and make it out the house by 4 p.m. This heat wave is not playing with us right now, so my husband went ahead and picked up this for us from Walmart, but I will have an Amazon link in my description box. But yes, they have 3 speeds. They are very lightweight. They go around the neck. It's an air cooler, so basically a fan for the neck area up, and it's rechargeable, which means that we do not need batteries, which is perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and plug these in so that they are ready to go when we are. I'm going to put on my cream cheese. I put on some nuts. I was running out of time, so I had to go ahead and take my shower and get ready, but I am going to show you my outfit and what I used in my makeup routine. Right, so this is the outfit that I decided to wear. These shorts feel so good. And this is a breathable top. It's not a bodysuit. It cuts off around about here, but it fits pretty snug, but it's not suffocating. It's very breathable, and I love it. So this is basically the first outfit I tried on, and I was just like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one because it feels pretty good. These pants feel pretty good. They fit nicely. So yeah, this is the outfit I'm wearing. Next is going to be picking out the shoes, whether I'm going to do shoes or sandals. Honestly, I want to wear some sandals, but these are the only sandals I have. I'm going to show you what makeup I used to put on since I thought that I needed to be in a hurry. But he's not even ready yet, so I'm going to show you what makeup I used and everything. So let's go ahead and take this down. So I'm a left side part girl that I like for my locks to hang over to the right. This is what it's looking like. My locks are pretty long, by the way. Like, they have grown so much. I started them in 2019, and when I say they literally were like maybe this long when I first got them. And they have grown this long. Even so, imagine when I first got my color, they probably were about this long. Maybe like this long, this length right here. But to see them be this length, crazy. Like, it seemed like they really just grew overnight. And I know it's been years, but it just seems like I woke up and they were this long. But anyway, this is the jewelry that I decided to wear. I still need to lotion my hands, but these are the rings. I have on my Apple Watch. I have on some little bangles on this side and my wedding rings. I do need to lotion. But anyway, so I'm going to layer some perfume. This is J'adore by Dior. And I'm gonna put this on first. It's really just a sample, but it smells so good. They gave me this as a sample when I purchased this. And I'm just gonna spray just a little dab of this. And that's my scent for today. For my face care, so I washed with this. This is the Keys Golden Cleanser. It's from my Ipsy bag. And when I say these Ipsy products go a long way, they go a long way. And then, well, first I'll mix these two. This is a exfoliator, so exfoliate my skin with this. And then I mix some of this in to help give it a good lather. And then I will follow up and just wash with this because it gives a good golden shine. And then this is the K. Berkey Nutrient C Eye Cream. You're supposed to only use it for your eyes, but I always squirt out too much at one time, so I end up using it on my whole face. But before I use the eye cream, I do go in with a toner. This is the Pore Perfecting Toner by Dixon's. I normally use whatever comes in my Ipsy bag, but I'm all out of it now, so this is what I have as a backup. And then also the same thing for a serum. After I go in with the toner, I go in with the serum, and usually, again, if I have some serum from my Ipsy bags left over, I will use that before I use this. This is kind of like a backup. I got this from TJ Maxx. And then for the moisturizer, that I mix in with this eye cream. It will either be the Gold Bond if it's more so at night, and then it will be the facial moisturizing lotion SPF 30 if it's in the daytime. So this is what I did underneath my makeup today. That's all for skincare. We're gonna go ahead and get into makeup. For my makeup, this is my dirty container of makeup. I have powder that done fell all down in here. Like, I think it was, yeah, my bronzer powder. My bronzer powder fell all down in here. But this is my little caddy. I don't do too much. I don't have a lot of makeup. This is my little caddy. And let's get into it. So this is, all right, so this is the primer that I use. This is another item that came in a previous Ipsy bag. This is the hydrating primer. But anyway, it's nourishing, hydrating, silicone-free, smooth makeup application. So yeah, this is the primer that I use today. And then, okay, so I use the Milani Foundation. So in the summertime, I use more of the 13. Today I used both because my shade is pretty mixed. So around the perimeter of my face, I went in with the 13. And then for like the center of my face or my T-zone, I went in with the 11A, which is Nutmeg. So Milani has been a staple for me for many years. And I do apply it with this A Perfect 10 MOTD brush. I'm not even sure if I'm saying it right. Again, this is one that came in my Ipsy bag, a previous Ipsy bag. Matter of fact, so that I don't have to say it, all the brushes I have came from an Ipsy bag. So then I go in with concealer, which also came from a previous Ipsy bag. This is a serum concealer made with skincare in mind. It's by Toy Factory or Toy.co. It's vegan and cruelty free, and it's shade D1. So this is, my husband came in at this point to get ready to go, so I used a beauty blender, a contouring 218M brush. My blush was by Violet Voss. It is a pinky peachy type color. I should have shown the inside of it, but I didn't, so please forgive me. The brush for my blush was a 50F brush by Farrah. And then for my eyelashes, I used Ardell Wispy as well as some Duo lash glue. All right, so I'm carrying my Coach bag today because we got those cooling neck bands. And these are the shades I think I'm going to wear, but I have another pair in the car, so that may change. But I was thinking these to go with the brown bag. But the ones I have in the car are black and gold, but we'll see.
So, we're gonna play one of them right now.